And it's, I mean, in terms of what's going on organizationally now, really timely, because in my years of, 20 some odd years of facilitating at all different levels in organizations across sectors, it's not hard to see the patterns that that companies live. And of course, a lot of those systemic patterns are showing up today. So we're seeing the one that's addicted to command and control, addicted to authority, as assuming authority is, or leadership is authority based as opposed to intrinsically sourced. And so that's one. And the other one is addiction to perfection, which basically says you can't learn, which means you are in big trouble as an organization if you cannot learn. If you're busy trying to make everything perfect, then you're just completely handicapped from an innovation standpoint. So, I mean, in the same way that everybody has personal patterns, organizations have their own patterns, and there's nothing like an interruption to throw those up in the air. And just watching the different responses to remote working, watching how that works, watching even how governments respond, the difference between how Denmark responded, what they've been doing in terms of working out a deal so people didn't get laid off, in a cooperative arrangement, versus different other nations that just sort of says, hey, you're on your own. And so it's a pretty random assortment of decisions based on, where the leaders were at or where the decision makers were at the time. So, yeah, I think that's the beauty of the interruptions, is it is, it sort of cuts across human, personal, and then organizational, and then at the much larger level, societal. So very powerful time, and we're in exciting times for redefining and reinventing how we work with these things.